This is the Expander X-Door, our traditional all-steel security barrier. The product features 4 rows of X-flights, a traditional steel type flight, all the moving parts securely anchored between 2 uprights with a rivet only visible from the one side. The product is available in a range of colors and features a double locking point single key entry slam lock. At Expander, we understand that you'd be living with this product for many years to come. For that reason, we make use of nylon-filled components, top and bottom, that operates within aluminium tracks to ensure operation or smooth operation and noise-free use for many years to come. All our products are chemically anchored to the reveal it's being affixed to. Basically what that means is the product fittings and fixtures forms a permanent bond with the property or the reveal, the wall really, that it's being fastened to. To get more information on this product, simply hit the Get a Quote button. Our expert consultants are standing by for obligation-free quotations or absolutely free security assessments.